Topic is measurement of length. In this topic, we will know about non-standard unit, standard unit of length, use of scale and meter tape, etc. At first, we will know about non-standard unit. Earlier, people measured length with a span of a hand, cubit, and foot, etc. But from these units, we did not get right result. The length varies accordingly to the person. So, these units are not proper to measure objects and called non-standard units. Nowadays, we use scale, measuring tape, meter rod, etc. to measure the length of objects so that we can get accurate length because these are the standard units of length. We use scale to measure small lengths. We use a measuring tape to measure bigger lengths, and we use kilometer to measure longer distance like distance between two cities, length of a river, etc. Centimeter, meter and kilometer are the most used unit of length. In short, we write meter as m, centimeter as cm and kilometer as km. Now there are two types of scales. 30 centimeter scale, from which we can measure up to 30 centimeter, and 15 centimeter scale, from which we can measure up to 15 centimeter. In a scale, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 15 or 30 written beside the bigger marking in centimeter side, so centimeters. Centimeter is a small unit, but millimeter is a smaller unit than centimeter. यहाँ 0 और 1 के बीच में 10 छोटे छोटे लाइंस हैं जो कि मिलीमीटर शो करता है, यानी कोई भी दो नंबर के बीच में 10 मिलीमीटर होगा. In scale, between any two numbers, 10 small lines are there. That lines show millimeters, and this unit is used to measure very small objects, for example, nails, ants, etc. It means there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. So, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Now, how to measure the length of the objects? See the lizard and matchsticks. The length of lizard is 13 units and the length of matchstick is 4 units. The length of color is 7 unit and the length of dice is 1 unit. The length of leaf is 4 units. Now, how we use scale? When we measure any object with the scale, we start from 0, which is the first number of the scale. Always, it means we have to start with 0 always. For example, length of the given pencil is, here the pencil is kept between 0 to 40. So the length of the given pencil is 14 centimeter. Here the caret is between 0 to 9. So the length of the carrot is 9 centimeter. And the nail is kept between 0 to 5. So the length of the nail is 5 centimeter. The length of the pin is 1 centimeter. The length of safety pin is 2 centimeter. The length of seat is 3 centimeter and the length of nail is 4 centimeter. The length of color is, here the color is between 0 to 7. So the length of the color is 7 centimeter and the length of the pencil is between 0 to 11. So the length of pencil is 11 centimeter. Sometimes the object is not at 0. We can see here the joker is started with 1 and in second figure the object is started from 2. When the object is not at 0, then change the first number to 0. See the example. Here the pencil is not started from 0. It is started from 1. So we have to count here 1 as 0, 2 as 1, 3 as 2, 4 as 3 and 5 as 4. So the length of the pencil is 4 centimeter. Now we will know about meter. A meter is 100 times as long as a centimeter. We use the standard unit meter to measure bigger distance. If we divide a meter into 100 equal parts, each part is called a centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Now, we will know about kilometer. What is kilometer? It is a unit used to measuring long distances like the distance between two cities or towns, length of river, length of road, distance between home to school, etc. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. See the board. Here, New Delhi is 500 kilometer, Bombay is 800 kilometer, and Bangalore is 1200 kilometer. So, for the longer distance, we use the unit kilometer. Now we will see which unit is used to measure the length of a river. It is a longer distance, so we will use kilometer. Again, which unit is used to measure the distance from home to school? It is also a longer distance, so we will use kilometer. Now in the table, write whether you will measure the following length distance in centimeter, meter or kilometer. Length of a pencil will be in centimeter. Width of a road will be in meter. Length of your notebook will be in centimeter. Length of mobile phone will be in centimeter. Distance between two cities will be in kilometer. Length of a river will be in kilometer and length of a sari will be in meter. Now we will know how to convert kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter, centimeter to millimeter and vice versa. See the figure. Here, for converting kilometer to meter, we have to multiply by 1000. For meter to centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. And for centimeter to millimeter, we have to multiply by 10. And again, for millimeter to centimeter, we have to divide by 10. For centimeter to meter, we have to divide by 100. And for millimeter to kilometer, we have to divide by 1000. Now see, first example is conversion of kilometer into meter. We have to convert kilometer into meter. It means we have to multiply by 1000. First is 5 kilometer. So 5000 kilometer equal to 5 into 1000 meter. It means 5000 meter. So 5 kilometer equal to 5000 meter. Second is 12 kilometer. 12 kilometer means 12 into 1000 meter. It means 12,000 meter. So 12 kilometer equal to 12,000 meter. Now here conversion of meter into centimeter. We have to convert meter into centimeter. So we have to multiply by 100 here. So first one is 7 meter. So 7 meter equal to 7 into 100 centimeter. Equal to 700 centimeter. So 7 meter equal to 700 centimeter. Second one is 15 meter. 15 meter means 15 into 100 centimeter equal to 1500 centimeter. So 15 meter equal to 1500 centimeter. Now conversion of centimeter into meter. So here for converting centimeter into meter we have to divide by 100. So see here 900 centimeter equal to 900 divided by 100 meter. It means 9 meter. So 900 centimeter equal to 9 meter. Second one is 700 centimeter. 700 centimeter equal to 700 divided by 100 meter equal to 7 meter. So 700 centimeter equal to 7 meter. Third one is conversion of meter into kilometer. For converting meter into kilometer we have to divide by 1000. So number 1, 5000 meter equal to 5000 divided by 1000 kilometer equal to 5 kilometer. So 5000 meter equal to 5 kilometer. Second one is 8000 meter. It means 8000 divided by 1000 kilometer equal to 8 kilometer. So 8000 meter equal to 8 kilometer. Now match centimeter, meter and kilometer according to length of object. Length of an earthworm, length of height of a child, width of a fingernail, length of a sari and length of a road. Length of an earthworm will be in centimeter. Length of a height of a child will be in meter. Width of a fingernail will be in centimeter. Length of a sari will be in meter and length of a road will be in kilometer. Now do practice and write in your copy. Write down the length of each object in your copy. This is also for your practice. Write down the length of the each object. Do in your copy.